Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joel and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make brownies. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, you know, there's nothing more to it. So I'm going to show you how I make brownies. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Joanne. You guys can subscribe or whatever to join what we have going on over here. Also click the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video because I talk too much. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be adding chocolate to my brownies because I don't have chocolate chips. So in order to use this, what I'm going to do is to do a rough chop of the chocolate and then freeze it until it's solid for like, well, obviously. So I'm going to freeze it for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to add it to my batter. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now that we're done with this, I'm going to put this in the freezer to freeze for about an hour, and then we can get started on the brownie batter. So let's do that. Okay, so now we're moving on to making the brownie batter. And the first thing you're obviously going to need is a large mixing bowl, and to that, the first ingredient is going to be 1 cup of brown sugar. Now this can be adjusted to your preference, to your liking, depending on how sweet you want it, but since I'm using dark cocoa powder, I just wanted something to balance out the bitterness of the cocoa powder without it ending up being overpowering and just tasting like dirt. So 1 cup. Okay, so just as a heads up, I will be showing you guys all of my measuring cups because I don't even know. But you're going to need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, canola oil, or whatever kind of oil you want to use. Side note though, you can use coconut oil. I think chocolate and coconut is such a good flavor combination, but it's really up to you. I'm using vegetable oil because, you know, vegetable oil does not have a taste and it just kind of goes well with everything. So the next thing we're gonna add is 2 large room temperature eggs. I don't really think the temperature matters in this case, but I just like my eggs to be room temperature. It don't really matter, girl, just keep it pushing. Now as you guys can see, we're moving right along with the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I mean, that's what the recipe calls for, but I just feel like, me being me, ain't no way I'm gonna use what the recipe says because the flavor, ma'am, the flavor. So I did add more than 1 teaspoon. I added probably 2, but you know, that's me, you're you, and we're just gonna all do us at the end of the day, period. I don't even know why I was doing this. I think I just got a little bit too excited, but it's time to mix. That's it pretty much for the quote-unquote wet ingredients or the wet batter. And yeah, this really did not take any time to mix. This was probably like 2 seconds. It was probably like a minute or 2, but you get the point. see, we're done already, and we're moving on to the dry ingredients. Now the first thing we're going to be adding is half a cup of all-purpose flour, but my half cup thing was dirty and I wasn't going to wash it yet, so I'm using a quarter cup. And I don't really measure my flour the way everybody else does, like just scoop it. I think I saw this on TikTok one time, although I don't know if TikTok is even a credible source of information, to be honest. But I saw it on TikTok. That's how you measure stuff properly. And you know, you see what I'm doing? Like that's what I say is the right way to do it. And I don't know. That's just what I do. If you want to scoop it, girl. I don't care. Okay, so while I take 2 years to scoop out some flour, I just feel like I sound very sad right now, but I'm not sad. I'm not sad. It's just 12 o'clock in the morning, and I'm disturbing probably the entire neighborhood. But you know, girl. I feel like narrating everything is starting to get so annoying. Like, you guys obviously understand what I'm doing is cocoa powder, 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup. 1/3 of a cup. You get it? I'm literally showing you. It's self-explanatory. Explanatory. At this point, girl, I'm done narrating. The recipe is in the description box below. I promise you, it is down there. You guys know what's going on. I don't need to be telling you that this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is 1 water. This is 2 water, 3 waters. No, you guys see that. I am done. I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Bye. Okay, so at this point in the sifting game, you probably think, oh, let me just throw these out in the trash. Throw these out in the trash. No, get yourself a spoon and mash them out. Simple as that. We don't waste things over here. What do you think this is? What do you think this is? Look at that. Gone. Everything's gone.
20 minutes later.
So before we get into all the Gucci Pow Pow stuff, I just want to say that I forgot to record an outro. So these brownies that you're about to see in the next clip, I actually made them like a couple months ago, and I still have the recording, and I kind of just cut this from the clip because girl, hello. Yeah, so that's where these brownies came from. The outro for this video is also from that video. If you saw it before, mind your business, and have a nice day. The post notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys have a good day, a good life, a good year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Easter. Period. Goodbye.